Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have some new PR I got sent to me from Btartbox and I'm so excited. We have quite a bit of goodies and I can't wait to show you. So these right here are their pink French nail tips. They came out with them a while ago. I did make a video trying the short square version, but they came out with new shapes. I believe they had medium coffin now, and these are the medium almond nail tips. I cannot wait to try these out. So you get 5 sheets and they're all different colored pinks. These are so pretty. These might be some of my favorite colored tips for sure. I've not tried their medium almond yet, so I'm excited. So you can get quite a lot of manicures with these. I really don't know which ones I am going to use just yet. They're all so pretty. So I got that. Then they also sent me it came in a duo, their tip primer and their gel glue duo. I'm so excited to try this. Really excited. I did unbox everything already because I couldn't wait. And then they sent me their new X-Coat Tips Gap Filler. This is a solid nail glue gel. This is, I believe, a 30-gram container. And you can have a look at the ingredients right here. Cannot wait to try this. I really like this packaging, and I've really been liking solid nail glue gels, so I'm super excited to test this out with you guys. And then, of course, they sent me the Builder Gel Top Coat and the gel glue. So we're all ready to go on the manicure here, and I'm very excited. So let's get started. Okay, so I decided to go with the deepest, like, magenta hot pink color. I think they're so pretty. So these are what I want to use. I just want to start out with sizing out my tips. I like to do that first. So, and when you're doing this, I never show this. You just want to make sure, like, see, this one's a bit too big. And then this one's too small, because when you move it over to the side, you can see a gap there like that. So this one is absolutely perfect. No gaps. Okay, so that was really fast. What I'm going to do now is take this tip primer and etch the insides of these, which I normally don't do, but I want to try this out this way as well. So I'm just going to take this and puff the inside with this. Just like that. And see, I hope you can see. Yeah, you can. It created some texture. And I'm just going to continue this on the rest of the nails. And then I'm going to move on to my application. Okay, so now I'm going to take the same primer and put it on my natural nails. This, to me, appears to be a dehydrator and a primer, because I can see it doing the dehydrator thing. It's drying out my nails, which is very good. But I believe it has primer aspect as well. My nails are in horrible condition. I'm sorry, guys, but I've been biting for so long. It just stopped. After my last video, I had to cut them down. It's a whole thing, but we're getting there. So now I'm going to take the gel glue and I'm going to put a thin layer on all my nails and cure that. This duo had like really good reviews. I was looking at it on Amazon. I'm like a review reader. I just wanted to see what was being said. And it was a lot of good things. And you definitely would want to push back your cuticles, do some cuticle work, but since I do my nails so much, I really don't have much going on right now. Okay. So I'm going to do a 60-second cure. Oh, this is nice. It's not too stiff. Okay, that was so easy. I really think I'm going to like this glue. As for like how it applied and the viscosity of it, it's nice and soft. It's not too stiff. So I absolutely love that for sure. And you get so much of it in here. I'm really hoping that these last really well, which I have very high hopes. I think that they will, especially paired with the primer and stuff. But this is definitely, so far, I think a glue worth checking into because I really am liking this. And the packaging is so beautiful. It's really beautiful. It reminds me of like a Prey. But I'm going to now do my full cure and then we can move on to shaping the nails and just finishing up doing some cute stuff to them. So I'm going to do a full cure in my big UV nail lamp. And I almost forgot, before we start filing and stuff, I'm going to take the top coat and I'm going to quickly paint the underbellies of these just to keep them clean and prevent dust from sticking. Okay, so we're already all coated underneath. We're going to keep everything nice and clean. So I'm just going to file carefully the tips. There's not really much. I'm just going to shape them like that. I had to go get some coffee and we're ready to proceed. So what I was thinking is I grabbed out these nail stickers. I've really been wanting to use them. I believe these are from Temu. They could be from Shein. I don't know, but you can definitely find them on either one. You can also find them on Amazon. So I just want to use like an array of these. Not even sure. They are all really cute. So I have my little tool here. And let's get going. They're looking so cute and so strong, and I'm loving these stickers. I'm very glad I picked them out. And now we just have to top coat and we're literally all done. Okay, here we are. How cute are these? All done. Super fast, super strong. I just want to put a little bit of cuticle oil on, which I definitely need to refill this. Getting low. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you've tried any of these products before. Give me a like and a comment. I'd love to hear from you down below, and I will see you in the next one. Oh, and also, if you have any requests for me, please leave them down below. I'd love to hear it. Thank you.